We live in more than 180 countries. We speak different languages. We differ in the color of our skin. We are separated by thousands of kilometers. We all have different hobbies, professions, lifestyles and religious beliefs. We all have different roles and purposes. We all look at the world from different angles. We aspire to something and want to make our dreams come true. Each of us feels and thinks differently. But there are values that unite us. The Sky World community is a community of people who want to change the world for the better while funding breakthrough transportation technologies to create comfortable lives. We are laying the foundations of a bright future for our children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. They will forget about environmental, financial, food and energy crises. Together we financed a global venture capital business in the field of breakthrough technologies, which is capable of taking economic development to a new level, improving the quality of human life, making it comfortable and harmonious. Most importantly, we are co-owners of this big business. In the Sky World community, everyone can create her own financial safety cushion, passive income in the form of dividends, without having professional skills. Sky World Community is a social elevator that gives everyone the opportunity to find themselves, realize their dreams and creativity. Our community is a way of life, an ideology shared by millions of people around the world. Already today we are paving the way for all of mankind to stand under the difficult conditions of today's economic realities and continue to move in the direction of development and prosperity. What we are doing is truly necessary and important, which is why more and more people are joining our community every day. We took the responsibility to go all the way, because the world now has a clear view of the future. Future with the Sky World community. We are creating the future and funding it.